Welcome guys, it's Trendy Styles forever. Keep watching.
Hello there, beautiful ladies. Thank you so very much. Hello there, fathers. Hello there, mothers out there. It's a wonderful time to be here because you'll find lots of amazing DIY hairstyles for your little ones. We're here to present this amazing 2025 easy and simple natural hairstyles for black kids. You're surely going to find latest little girls hairstyle ideas. You'll find some amazing bun hairstyles. You'll find lots of amazing DIY hairstyles. Talking about hairstyles you can do at home for them. You'll find some amazing toddler hairstyles without stress, of course. We're talking about simple and easy hairstyles to do for them to stand out and look really beautiful. These are hairstyles you can wear as back to school hairstyle look, party style hairstyle, or probably a wonderful hair look for their birthday celebration. It all depends on what it is they are wearing the hairstyle look for, but we have lots of amazing styles just like this one with lovely and amazing accessories to go with the look. Beautiful and amazing style. This is a wonderful toddler hairstyle look right here with a bun in front. You can see variations of styles. We have great ideas and beautiful pictures for you to watch right here all through to the end. So go right ahead, sit back, relax, and pick a wonderful style look for your little angel. We get a lot of questions on our comment section concerning coily hair type for little angels. You can find lots of amazing styles right here. We have tons of amazing natural hairstyles. Again, it's all about you knowing that you can try out this hairstyle look at home and help them stand out and look beautiful. Go right ahead and share the video with friends and family. Keep coming back for more. Remember to subscribe. Also check out our other little girls or kids hairstyle looks we have within our playlist for kids. We do also have hairstyles for adults right here on our channel. If you're an adult lady and you're wondering what hairstyle look to go for, we have tons of amazing hairstyle looks for you to try out. Remember to subscribe, leave us a like and share your thoughts. Keep coming back for more. You take care.